Hi, John from OCAM. Today we're going to install a bonnet protector on a 2016 Toyota Kluger. First thing we do when we get our package is open it all up and separate everything and have it nice and neat. You will need a screwdriver and a non-permanent marker, either a highlighter or a whiteboard marker. First thing we do is we get the bonnet protector and pop it up against our bonnet to get the center and mark out where all the slots are. So we'll get a whiteboard marker or highlighter. In the center of the bonnet guard there is a bit of a divot in there, so we'll use that as the marker to center the bonnet protector. The center of our bonnet is there, so I can see that there is 2 slots there. So we're going to mark those 2 slots with the whiteboard marker and then put our protective strips on there. And then while we've got it there, we're going to mark where the other slots are. Next step will be you get the 2 white screw inserts. Pop them in where the slots were on the protector. Once we've marked all our positions on the bonnet, we'll remove the bonnet protector for now. Now in the kit, you got your 4 outer wing clips and you got your 2 center clips. So we'll take the 2 center clips and our 2 self-tapping screws. We'll pop them over the anti-abrasion tape. Also very important to ensure that none of the metal clip is touching the paintwork. Make sure it's all resting on the tape. The idea is not to over tighten it to begin with. Once we've installed the bonnet protector, we'll go across and just tighten everything up, make sure it's all secure. Lower the bonnet. As you can see, we've already marked out where the other clips are going to go. What we'll do is we'll put the tape on there where we've marked them out. With the abrasive tape, just be sure to put half of it over the top, the other half underneath the bonnet. Next step, once all that is in place, we'll get the bonnet protector and we'll just install it by using the 2 middle clips first, and then we'll put the other clips on once the bonnet protector is sitting on there loosely. best to do this with two people. Get someone up, actually hold the bonnet protector up against the clips to line it up. Get one of the screws and the washers that come in the pack. Do the same on the other side. Screw that in like so. So it's all nice and loose to begin with. Then what we'll do is we'll get our outer clips. Along with the screw and a washer. Just pop the outer clip over the taped area. And make sure the clip is pushed all the way up to the edge of the bonnet. Get your screw and washer and screw that in. Nice and loose. Do the same for the outer. And we'll also repeat the process on the other side. Now, as I said earlier, don't over tighten everything to begin with. Just put it on nice and loose. Once we've got the whole bonnet protector on, we'll go over it and tighten everything up. As you can see, my marking was a little bit off from the beginning. Now, if you do find that the anti-abrasive tape isn't directly underneath the clip, best thing to do is just to carefully peel the anti-abrasive tape off and reapply it into the position that it should go into. Once you've reapplied it and done it, go back, put the clip back on, tighten it up with the screw, position the bonnet protector to the center of the bonnet, and then tighten it all up. Okay, so now that we've got the bonnet protector onto the bonnet, mounted and ready to go, the last step is to go over across all the screws and tighten everything up. Now, don't over tighten it, just make sure it's tight enough where the screwdriver will kind of stop turning with some slight pressure, like so. Today we're going to install Weathershields on a Toyota Kluger 2016. First thing to do when you get your Weathershields, take them out of the packaging and give it a dry run on the vehicle first. Now, looking at the Weathershield, it looks like it lines up flush with the end of the door there, and it runs across the chrome strip. The next step after we've done the dry run is to remove the backing of the tape. And just as we did with the dry run, we square it off at the edge of the door. just follow the chrome strip. Once you've got it in place, push down on the taped area. Now that we've done the front, we will do the same with the rear. Okay, so once we've done the front window visor, we'll put the rear one on. Same principle, do a dry run first to ensure you know where it's going to stay and where it's going to go. So lining it up to the edge of the door, right across the chrome strip, straight across. Now once you've done your dry run, you're happy with where it's going to go, remove the backing of the window visor, which I've already done, and we'll line it up with the edge of the door as we did on the dry run and go straight across the chrome strip, nice and straight along the door. Once we've got it in place, push down along the taped area to ensure that it's stuck on well. Now once you've completed the visors all around the car, don't wash your car for 24 hours. It's safe to drive immediately after installing the Weathershields. If you have any questions or any queries about our products, please feel free to give us a call on 03 9357 0306. Thanks for watching and have a great day.